بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أنا خاتم النبيين لا نبي بعدي أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Honorable President, respectable teachers, chief guests, audience and my dear friends, today is very special day for us because the annual program being held in our madrasa. So on this auspicious occasion, I am stand on the stage to presenting a speech about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today I am very excited to get a chance to share a few words about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At the first, I am mostly thankful to all